Good morning, everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden. It's February. I'm freezing my rear end off here, but I want to take an opportunity just to tell you that even though it's winter and some of you have a pile of snow up to your armpits, I know a lot of my friends do a little bit further north. We don't have a whole lot of snow here. We've had some. It's melted. It's still pretty cold. It's about 30 degrees right now, but you know, it's winter and we can still enjoy the garden. I love the coral bark maple. This is what I'm showing you. As you know, if you've heard of anything I talk about, no-brainers for my daughter's garden, it's get some Japanese maples. There are short ones and pendulous ones and upright ones, but the coral bark maple, like this one, is fabulous. And this is pretty old. This is probably 10, 12 years old. So it's just a new growth that gets that red, but it's terrific. You might notice there's some green leaves above it and kind of going through it. Well, that's a climbing rose that I'm using my maple not only for its beauty but also for its support. Anyway, it's winter time, but that's never stopped a good gardener before. Enjoy, and I'll show you a few other things in the garden. We'll do a walkabout here probably another month or so, but hey, life is good in the fast lane. Enjoy. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.